Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about all the cheapest nail polishes that I have bought from the website called Nykaa, which is available all across India. Apart from the full review of each product, I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any nail polish that you use. I also want to mention that each nail polish has been tested by me for over a month. In today's video, I am featuring this nail polish. It is called Velvet Matte number 21 by the brand Blue Heaven. I will be uploading my review of this nail polish on 4th January 2021. Please click the eye icon on the top right corner to view the videos. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. How I search for the products on Nykaa site. After I open the website, I just select the nail polish from their category list. Next, I use the sort by option and select price low to high. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It's a must watch for beginners. Cheapest nail polish from Nykaa. I will start with the nail polish that is lowest in price and make my way up. So the first nail polish is called Nail Pops shade number 30 by the brand L18. The cost is 50 rupees for 5 ml. This is how the nail polish looks. I have applied just one coat of the nail polish. It is a dark purple color with a glossy finish. Please do check out the video on the top right corner for the full in-depth review of this product. It also has the Nykaa shopping link. The second nail polish is called Nude number 3 by the brand Insight. The cost is 60 rupees for 9 ml. This is how the nail polish looks. I have applied just one coat of only the nail polish. It is a neon pink color with a glossy finish. The third nail polish is called One Stroke number 44 by the brand Miss Claire. The cost is 85 rupees for 9 ml. This is how the nail polish looks. I have applied just one coat of only the nail polish. It is a brown color with a glossy finish. Please do check out the video on the top right corner for the full in-depth review. And the fourth nail polish is called the Ring of Fire by the brand TS. The cost is 85 rupees for 9 ml. This is how the nail polish looks. I have applied just one coat of only the nail polish. It is a red color with a gold undertone and a glossy finish. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2020. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!